This is text 20. Bharat Muni says, Bahu varyate kalu yacha prachana kamukatvam cha yacha mito durlabhata sa manmatasya paramarati manmatasya paramarati sa manmatasya paramarati. Bharat Muni says, first, Rupa Goswami makes a statement with his own Sanskrit words. For us, that's enough. That's Praman. That's Purvacharya. It's Acharyavani. It's Praman. We accept it. It's proof. He says the supreme position of intimate love is Shringar Ras. It's shown and established. In other words, the topmost form of man-woman love is the love between men and women that aren't married. And that's called Paramar love or Upapati. So he says, the supreme position is Shringar. Shringar means Madhurya. Rati, Madhurya Ras means the love between man and woman, or the gopis and Krishna. So that's established, or that's shown, or that's seen, or that's experienced when the lover, one of the lovers, in this case Krishna, takes the role of the Upapati, additional husband of the married lady named Radha. So now he says that, then he says, not only I say it, but the Ras Acharya says it. The universally accepted Ras Acharya, because Advaitins, non-Vaishnavas, sometimes they may discuss different shastras, discuss Ras. They may even quote Bharat Muni, or even Advaitins when they're talking about Ras for some reason or other, although there's no Ras in Brahman. But they may quote. So Bharat Muni is an accepted authority on Rasic Natya Shastra for everyone. So if you quote him, Bharat Muni, then everyone will accept, yes, this is correct. So the legitimacy and the authenticity and the value and worth of the Ujjvala Nilamani as a Pramanic Shastra is established by virtue of the fact that Rupa Goswami repeatedly cites the accepted, the Shrutis, the Smritis, the Puranas, and Bhagavatam, etc., to establish and prove his points and position. So that gives it credence, that gives it strength, that gives it authority, and it gives it historicity. It gives it a sense of history, because he quotes the most ancient scriptures to describe the pastimes of Radha and Krishna, which were only 50 centuries ago. So Bharat Muni, now he says this Upapati Bhav, so let's find out more about that. So he quotes the Paramar lover is the topmost form of Shringar Ras. And in that love affair, obviously the desires of the wife and the desires of her additional husband are highly secret. They're hidden. So Bharat Muni, that's why he says prachana. Prachana means very hidden. Extremely. Chana means hidden, but prachana means very, very secret and hidden. In 7th canto of Bhagavatam, Prahlad Maharaj, he mentions one verse where he's talking about, oh my Lord, Nrsimhadev, in many ages you come to this world to kill the demons and to save the devotees. And then in the age of Kali, you come as a Chana avatar. In the age of Kali, you appear as a Chana, C-H, it's not like the chickpeas or something. C-H-A-N-N-A-H, Chana. Chana avatar, hidden, concealed. So the Gaudiya Vaishnava Acharyas, when they're establishing some praman or facts about the appearance of Lord Chaitanya, then they often cite this verse. They say, see, here in the Srimad Bhagavatam in the 7th canto, the Mahajan, Bhakta Prahlad, is one of the Dwadasa Mahajans listed by Yamaraj in the 6th canto of Bhagavatam. Swayambhur Narada Shambhu Prahlado Janako Bhishmo. Prahlado Janako Bhishmo. Then goes on Vyasaki, then Vyasadeva, and also Yamaraj himself, Dharmaraj or Yamaraj, who is speaking the verse. So there he cites Swayambhuva Manu and Brahma and Shiva, Shambhu, and Janak Maharaj and Bhishmadev, and of course Prahlad Maharaj. So Prahlad Maharaj is cited in this verse, Chana Avatar, that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Chana. He's not saying Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he's saying Chana Avatar. So our Acharyas say, see, This hidden avatar, every other avatar is revealed, understood, known, named, identified. But this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all the Madhvas are great devotees of Vishnu, of Lord Vishnu and Vaikuntha, Madhvacharya and Madhva Sampradaya, great Vaishnavas, very strict and very learned and very Shastra Nipun. But they say, Lord Chaitanya, who is Lord Chaitanya? He's a Bengali saint. He's not Bhagavan. Bhagavan? No way. Swayam Bhagavan? Never. So that's their conception. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Chana. So here, this Parakiya Bhava is called Prachana. Hidden, very hidden. That love which causes great opposition because it's against normal dharma virud. What does it say here? Bahu varyate kalu yatra prachana kamukatvam cha mito durlabhata. It's against dharma, that's one point, and it necessitates that love is very, very secret, prachana, and it makes it hard for the lovers to meet together. And it produces the most intense, amorous joy for the lovers. Parama rati.